Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 8th class maths. It's a fresh topic we are dealing with, the square roots and cube roots. So first let us have an idea about square roots. What are the square roots? To know about square roots, first you should know about what are perfect squares. What are perfect squares, children? Perfect squares are those numbers which are uh, the multiples of two same numbers, which are the product, I can say. They are the product of two same numbers. That means, see, perfect squares like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So, in these cases, 1, 4, 9, 6. These all are called as perfect squares. Why do you call them as perfect squares? Because they can be obtained by multiplying two same numbers. 2 if you multiply 2 times, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4. So same numbers when you are multiplying, you are getting one value and that value is called as perfect squares. All other numbers are non-perfect squares. So what you can take an example, as an example you can take 3, you can take 5, you can take 7, you can take 8, you can take 10, so on. These all are considered as non-perfect square numbers because you are getting these numbers by multiplying with different values. Suppose 10 is there, 2 5s are 10, 8, actually 4 2s are 8, or 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s okay, but you have one more 2 extra. So it is also non-perfect square number, children. So perfect square numbers are those numbers which you are getting by multiplying all those which are the products of the same numbers is called as perfect square numbers. Just note down this, children. This is a small introduction about perfect square. One more thing, children. Square root means what? Even that you should have an understanding. Then we can go for the further problem. Square root is indicated like this. So square root of 4. How will you find out square root of 4? Root of 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So these two you can take it out without root. 2 is the answer. So root 9. Root 9 can be written as root 3 into 3. That means instead of two values, 1 3 comes out. This is the answer for it. So, see, these all are perfect square numbers. These are the square roots of that numbers. So, square root means what? What is the number with which you are multiplying so that you are getting the answer? If you have 2, 2 into 2 is 4. Same numbers you have to multiply and then only you are getting square roots. So square roots, finding out of square roots is possible only when the given number is a perfect number. So that is why if you know perfect squares, then only you can think about square roots. So we have got certain problems about this perfect square as some introduction in your textbook. We are going to do that, children. Just note it down. Now the next part is here. You need to find out to do this sum, children. Here in this do this sum, the question is find perfect squares between 100 and 150. Between 100 and 150 means perfect squares. You know that 10 tens are 100 and 11 square is 121. Then 12 square is 144. 13 square is 169. 169 you cannot take because it is more than 150. So the perfect squares between 100 and 150 are 121 and 144. Only these two. Third one, it is not possible because it is more than 150. Similar. Now, when you go to the second bit, 150 and 200, see 12 12s are 120, 144. It is lesser than this. So, go for 13. 13 square is 169 and 14 square. So, go for 14 into 14. 14 fours are 56. 14 fours are 56. 14 ones are 14. 196. So even 196 will come here. 15 15 is more than that. Therefore, the perfect squares between 150 and 200 are 169 and 196. These are the answers, children. Here, these two are the answers. Okay. Now, second problem is 56 a perfect square. Guess, give reasons. You have to give the reasons for it. So let us take 56 and go for prime factorization. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 2 sevens are 14. So 56 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Of course, 2 into 2 will be same numbers, but 2 into 7 are not same numbers. If you have another 2, then only we can take another. Means when I have already explained, when you are finding out square root. So root of 56 if you take, see, root of 56 is equal to root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 you will write. Instead of 2 2's you will write it 1 2 out. But the next one will be root of 2 into 7 will be as it is. You cannot simplify. So what you can say, therefore 56 is not a perfect square. He is asking to give the reasons also, no children. So this will give you a clear cut reason for it. Is 56 a perfect square? You can give the answer in this way. Now, let us see the next part of it. It is properties of square numbers. So, what are the properties that we are getting here? Let us see. The blanks are given here. If you fill, we are getting a property. See, squares, a number and its square. 1 square, 1, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 6 6 are 36. 7 7 are 49, 8 8 are 64, 9 9 are 81, 10 10 are 100. Now here 11 11 are 121, 12 12 are 144, 13 13 are 169, 14 14 are 196, 15 15 are 225. So 16 16 are 16 into 16. 16 6 are 96. 16 ones are 16. 256. Okay, so this is 256 and the remaining as it is. It is given to you. Now 21 21s are 441. So now let us see 22, 22s are 22 into 22. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 and 4, 484 you are getting. So 22, 22s are 484. Now see 21, 22, 23 definitely it is 24. Now 25 means 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So let us see their values. 26, 26 are 36, 12, 3, 15, 12, 2 to the 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 6. So 26, 6 are 676. Now 27. 7 sevens are 49, 14 4 18, 2 sevens are 14, 2 to the 4 1 5, 9, 12, 7. 729 and 28. 28 into 28. 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16, 16 for 20, 22, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 1, 5. So 487, 784. Now 29, 29s are 9 9s are 81, 9 2s are 18, 26, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 114, 8, 841, and this is of course 900. So these are what you are getting with the help of this table. So what are you understanding with this? The numbers that are ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 at its units place, they all are called perfect squares. So all the perfect squares, you observe the digits in units place of the square numbers. The square numbers, units or digits. Square numbers, units, digit. What are the square number units digits? You have started with 0, 1, and then 4, then 5, then 6, then 9. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So, if these are there in units place, there is a chance for the number to become a perfect square. And other ones, so square numbers in units place are this, and some of the square numbers, the numbers which are end with, the numbers which have other values, that is 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3 also, 4 is there, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 3, 7, 8 in units place are not perfect squares. They are not square numbers. Why? Because they are not having in units place 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So the numbers, by seeing the number itself, you can guess. If they have units place these values, we can say that they are not perfect squares. So this is the property of square numbers. So children, please note it down. Now try this problem, children. Guess and give reason which are perfect squares and verify using the table which we have just now done. 84. Is it a perfect square? Just by observing the number, children, 84, usually when you take a number and find out whether it is a perfect square or not, the easiest way is go for its prime factors. Generally, small numbers means you can guess. 81, 9 nines are 81, 10 tens are 100. So it is between 81 and 100. So it is not a perfect square, you can say. But when you get big numbers, it is difficult. So develop a habit of writing prime factors of each and every value. So 84 can be written as 2 fours are, 2 twos are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are, 3 sevens are. So 84 means 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So 2 into 2 are the numbers of the same type, they are multiplied. But these are not same numbers. So it is not a uh, perfect square, as it is not a factor of two same numbers. This is the reason why you are saying for the first one. Now second bit, 108. So take 108, go for prime factorization. 2 fives are, 2 fours are, 2 twos are, 2 sevens are, 3 nines are, 3 threes are. So see, 108 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So these two are of same values, but it is alone. So it is not a perfect square, as it is not a factor, not a factor of two same numbers. So you will be saying the second one, children. This is second bit. Now let us go to the third bit. Third bit. What is the third bit? 271. See, 271 is a prime number. Therefore, 271 can be written as 271 into 1. Therefore, it is not a perfect square, as it is not a factor of two same numbers. So this is about 3 bits, children. 2 more bits are there. Just copy it. Now 4 and 5 bits are there. Let me teach you that. 4 and 5 bits in this problem. Now fourth bit is 240. 240. So 240 can be written as 2 ones are 2 twos are 0, 2 six are 0, 2 threes are 0, 2 ones are 2 fives are, 3 fives are. So 240 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So you can make how many twos you have got? 4. One group, one group. But 3 and 5 are different. So we'll say that 240 is not a perfect square, as it is not a product of two same numbers. It's not a product of two same numbers. So you will be saying this. Now fifth one, 529. From the table you have observed that from the table we observe 529 is equal to 23 into 23. Therefore, it is a perfect square. So, write down this, children. These are, try these problems. Now, another try this sum, children. First bit it, which of the following have 1 in its units place? So, first bit is 126 square. So, because he is talking about units place, so what is units digit? Units digit here it is 6. So, what is 6 square? 36. So, what is units place digit? Units place it has got 6. Next, second bit. Second bit 179 whole square. So, what is units digit? You have got 9. So, what is 9 square? 81. So, what is units place? Units place digit is 1. So, here also units place digit you have to write. Next, third bit 281 square. So, what is units digit? Units digit is 1. 1 square is 1. So, units place digit is 1. Next, fourth bit 363 square. So, what is units digit? Units digit is 3. 3 square is 9. So, what is units place digit? It is 9. So, out of this, which numbers are having 1? It is 179 and 281. These are the two numbers which are having 1 in their units digit. So, how are you finding out? By seeing the units digit of the given number. Its square contains 1, it will be definitely having 1. If its square is not having 1, it won't be having 1. Now, same way, here second one, 6 in its units place. 116 whole square. So, what is units digit? Units digit is 6. 6 square is 36. So, what is units place digit? Definitely it is 6. Second bit. 228 square. So, what is units digit? Units digit is 8. So, 8 square is 64. So, units place digit is 4. Now, third bit 324 square. So, units digit is 4. So, 4 square is 16. So, units place digit is 6. Fourth bit 363 square. So, what is units place is 3. 3 square is 9. So, units place digit is 9. So, according to the problem, they need 6 in its units place. So, here the first bit will have 6 in units place and the third bit will have 6 in units place. So, I hope I am clear, children. Please note it down. With this, I'm going to conclude my topic. Next part I will be teaching in the next class.